ladies, here we go. All right. The moment we all been waiting for. Now we
Sino
get to
kaya?
know who our new
Thailand.
Miss World will be. It is. Over to you, Mr. Julia Morley.
Well, Miss World 2025 is
Thailand.
Talaga ng Thailand.
Thailand.
Sabi mo.
Wow. Finally.
Binigay na sa kanila.
Binigay na sa kanila.
Kasi nga gumagawa ng kabalaghan yung mga ano eh.
Halata naman, sa una pa lang, Thailand na talaga, yung camera na sa kanya.
Congratulations, you are our second position winner.
Well, we offer congratulations to Ethiopia on being runner-up. Now, Christina Pishkova will put the sash on our new Miss World.
Wow.
And in time-honored tradition,
Pangalawang corona ng
take her to the
Southeast Asia.
throne.
Good decision siya. Nag-resign siya sa ano.
Oo. Meant to be para
Nagbitaw.
Mabuti hindi hadlang yung kay Julia, no? Julia. Nagaling siya sa ano.
Ayan. Thailand! Thailand! Yun. Tagal naman koronahan.
Laking sampal yan sa ano, Miss Universe.
Thailand!
Opal Sujata from Thailand is
Thailand.
the 72nd Miss World.
Thailand!